Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you an update. This is the 1932 Ford Hot Rod. In an earlier video, we had this body in the prep station, and you saw where the guys and gal did a lot of body work, a lot of block sanding. Then they had the body standing up on its end. They did all the body work on the bottom side of the car, and a lot has happened since then. So obviously we now have this custom vermilion red Ford paint job. We just brought it over from the paint booth. So the bottom side of the car has been painted exactly the same as the body. So it's all nice and smooth, and Janet did a really nice job painting the bottom of it, and then we set it back down on the dollies. They did all the final prep work and fine sanding up to 600 grit, and then masked the bottom part off. As a reminder, this front firewall, it looks kind of nasty here. This has a really nice aluminum plate that was custom made for it that fits in here, and they're doing the body work and priming and getting ready to paint the firewall because it's going to look identical to this. So don't be alarmed in the video or wondering why this looks so nasty. It'll have the aluminum plate here. So basically what we've done is just brought it over from the booth. We have the chassis ready here. If you've been following some of the earlier videos, that's the chassis looking all nice and pretty. So they've done an exceptional job, I think. You can see the frame is nice and polished red. We didn't introduce any more than 3 colors. So you'll notice you have gloss black, you have the aluminum or brushed aluminum, and then you have the vermilion red, the custom red. So I think it's going to be a nice contrast. And as we come back to the body, we'll share another video. The weather's terrible outside, it's pouring rain. It's kind of crowded in here in the shop right now, but I thought if we just kind of give you a little bit of a presentation on it. They haven't done much in terms of polishing. They just gave it a quick little polish. And then once it's on the body, or the body's on the chassis, sorry, then they'll be doing some more polishing on it. But this is quite nice. This is a special edition color. There's about 3 different recipes for this vermilion red, and this one is closest to the red that our customer wants. He wants a really deep red. So we're really happy with it so far. So just a brief update. This is the 1932 Ford Hot Rod, and I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.